Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, my name is Maria and welcome to Siempre Infinito's DIY. Well ladies, I can't believe the fall is here, and I'm sure some of us haven't really noticed the difference in the weather, while others perhaps noticed the difference in the colors of their trees. And talking about trees, this is what actually inspired me to make this video, and of course a little help from Pinterest. Now I did see that someone had uploaded a picture of a cake that had beautiful colors in it, so I wanted to make my own version of it. And with all of that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. So I've been looking for some icing tips that has the numbers printed on each tip, and this I found it off of Amazon. I like that it came with this picture chart of each pattern of the icing tips, which I love, and it's actually really helpful. So if you ladies are looking for something like this, I'll go right ahead and leave the information in the description box down below. So I am not a professional cake decorator, and you will see some cricket lines and what have you. Even though the tree is supposed to be like the branches, what I'm trying to draw here with this cake icing, still I found it very challenging. Also, it did not help that my hand was shaking, I guess because of the coffee that I had drank earlier. But anyway, I did go back and try to correct them. So if you are also new at this, just don't give up, just keep going, and practice. We'll learn together. Anyway, have you ladies started decorating for the fall? I know I can't wait to add this piece to my kitchen on this beautiful cake plate that I had purchased last year, and I just can't wait to add this to it. So out of the 3 tips that I use, this one was the hardest. Perhaps it had to do with the paint that I add too much to the spackle. Yes, I think that's what it is. Anyways, I'm still learning. But then again, at the end of the day, I still love how it came out. I love all of the fall colors, especially with this hot weather. I just can't wait for fall to fully be here. And at first glance, this is what it says, But anyways, so my friends, you have noticed we are at the end of the video. I hope to have inspired you to start doing your own fake bakes for the fall, if yet you have not already done that. So until the next fake bake video, my friends, stay safe, be kind, bye.